Welcome back on this Tuesday morning. So travel conditions will be a little bit slick today, and then they'll become more in the way of slushy and difficult at times by tomorrow morning and for the remainder of tomorrow. We could also have some scattered power outages as winds will increase tomorrow in excess of 30 miles per hour. And that could also lead those winds to some down tree limbs and maybe even a few down branches as well when you combine the winds and the snow and the freezing rain that's going to occur. That being said, winter weather advisories will be in effect for this time period as we will continue to see some freezing rain and then the widespread snow event tonight through tomorrow. This morning we've had a narrow band of very light freezing rain move through the area. It's still exiting off to the north, so we're still seeing some of that mix and freezing rain into the Keweenaw, parts of Ontonagon and southern Houghton and northern Houghton counties at this moment. What's happening is we have a couple of areas of low pressure with general troughing in the central plains. The secondary area of low pressure to the south is what triggered the severe storms down in Texas yesterday and will lead to, again, severe weather in other southern states. Eventually, these will combine and travel across the lower peninsula tomorrow. We'll be on the northern edges of it, so we'll certainly be impacted by it. But today, that severe weather potential has increased to a level 4, a moderate risk of severe storms for eastern Louisiana into southern Mississippi, as well as Alabama. They're talking about potentially seeing a lot of tornadic activity with a line of severe thunderstorms that forms later on today. By tomorrow, this is where that area of low pressure will be located at, moving through Illinois, heading up into the lower peninsula. And then we're going to be dealing with the snow. So here it is, the hour by hour for today, leaving some spotty freezing rain in the west and central counties. If you're in the east, for the most part today, it's just going to be cloudy for you. Then another round of freezing rain mix moves in this evening. Here's 7:30 with a transition to wet heavy snow tonight through tomorrow morning. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, continuing throughout the bulk of the day. Then tomorrow afternoon, this is 6:30, a little bit of a mix starts to unfold again in the central and eastern counties. It looks like this finally ends and clears out tomorrow night. So the next 24 to 36 hours certainly quite impactful for us. Around 1/4 of an inch of ice accumulation possible. Higher amounts possible in the higher elevations, though. Snowfall amounts, most places 3 to 6 inches, but some of the higher elevations could push around 9 inches of snow over into the Keweenaw, the Huron Mountains, and the west and northern sections of Marquette County, ranging 7 to 9 in the central counties, 3 to 6 across the east. That starts tonight and then continues all day tomorrow. Temperatures today into the lower 30s inland, and the shorelines of the Great Lakes will be a little bit milder. Some upper 30s likely to the west coast, and then some upper 30s along Lake Michigan this afternoon. Looking ahead, the rest of the week we'll have more seasonal temperatures with colder conditions this weekend.